Hey, what's up, my jelly bean and gingerbread? Welcome again to another episode of JVLOGS. The name is Plunkett. Alright, let's get into this one. Now, today I want to talk about a sensitive topic. As you know already, I always talk about sensitive topic or topic of concern to everyone out there, my viewers included. Now, today I want to talk about the transgender bathroom debate, pretty much. I just want to give my input on it, my opinion, how I feel about it, and what I really think about it. Now, this transgender bathroom issue, if we really look back and think a couple years ago, was this really an issue? Did anyone really knew about it apart from the transgender community? Even a year ago, I didn't even know this was an issue. I never knew that this was a problem. I'm almost 25 years old, that's 2.5 decades, and this is the first time I'm actually hearing, that this is actually an issue. I never knew that this really exists, that people needed, like transgender people needed a specific bathroom. It's all messy, and the thing about it, the reason why it's messy is because it can get confusing very quickly. It can move from 0 to 100 real quick. That's how serious it is. And why am I even talking about it? Well, mainstream media has been pushing and fueling this debate for the past year, I guess. I don't even know, but they have been fueling this debate, and people have been talking about it now and wondering, why is this even an issue? Like, think about it. Be real with yourself, men, women. You go into a bathroom, what is your main concern in a bathroom? To use the bathroom and leave, whether to go number 1 or number 2 and leave. Are we now focusing on who is using the bathroom, or is it a male or a female in the bathroom? Why are we thinking about this when there's so many more things out there in the world that we're supposed to be focusing on, like hunger, poverty, crime, violence? Why are we focusing on this petty issue? And where I'm from in Jamaica, this isn't even an issue. That's the thing, it's not even an issue where I'm from, but this is America, different culture. I guess where this is stemming from is the LGBT community. That's if I even get it right, because I don't really focus on that community at all. They're saying that they want bathrooms for themselves. Transgender people need specific bathroom for themselves, and they need privacy and stuff like that. No, I don't see a reason why we need to have more division in this country. There's racism, there's sexism, there's so much division. Why are you focusing on dividing bathrooms? So those are some of the questions I have, and the solution to it for me is personally leave it as it is. Like, come on, for decades there's been bathrooms, and now the year 2016, politicians having debate over this and passing legislation for people to have building a new bathroom. Think about the effect that this is going to have on generations to come, or businesses. No, businesses are going to have to build a special bathroom for transgender people, whether they be male or female. Why can't people just use bathroom? If you look like a man, you use a man bathroom. If you look like a female, use a female bathroom. Wasn't that the way it's supposed to be? Me myself and I don't go into a bathroom to figure out if a man is standing up peeing or sitting down peeing. That is not my concern, to be honest. I go into the bathroom to use the bathroom and then come out of the bathroom. I don't forget to wash my hands. So I wash my hands and I leave the bathroom. I'm not focusing on any men in the bathroom or anything. I'm not gay. I don't have time to be thinking about who is using. Like, this is petty. Like, I think this is really petty. Now, where the problem comes in is that I even see people going on social media voicing their concerns, men voicing their concerns, saying that if the law has changed, because now they want to change the law to people use bathroom with the gender they identify, not with the gender that you are, but with the gender that you identify. So for example, a man feel like he's a woman, he can now use a female bathroom. If a female feel like she's a man and identify herself as a man, she can now use a male bathroom. So male using female bathroom, females using male bathroom. That's where the confusion comes in. No, who is this going to affect? This is going to affect mostly children. No, if you change these laws in school, and I think they passed the law already to change it in schools for them to have gender-specific bathroom where transgender people can use it or kids can use it. A man voicing his concern saying that, oh, this is a female bathroom and he doesn't want his little girl to be in the bathroom and a little boy come in and invade her privacy. Think about it. Once you have given these people freedom, first you legalize gay marriages, it's a storm that's going to come after that. And I'm being real, and if you don't like when I'm touching this topic, then don't watch my videos. Simple. That's your solution. Don't like the video, don't watch it if you're going to get offended. I don't really care if you want to get offended. I'm basing my concern and my opinion on this, so I care zero if you want to get upset with this. So once you legalize gays and lesbian, whatever it is, this is the storm that's going to come. Other subset, transgender, blah blah blah, they're going to come now and say, oh, we want this, we want to feel this way and we want to feel that way, and then this is the storm that's going to come. And guess who it's going to affect? It's going to affect the younger generation that is coming up. They are the ones that's going to be affected because now they are confused and they don't even know who they are and what they are. If you're telling little John that, hey little John, if you feel like a girl, then you can be a girl. This is America, you can do what you want. No, little Johnny has a penis, he's little Johnny. Little Jill has a vagina, she's little Jill. Leave it at that. Stop confusing your kids. You're confusing the generation to come. And that is all that you're doing. It's not, oh, if you feel like, no, you're a boy and you're a girl. It is simple. God made it with a penis and he made it with a vagina. Simple. No more complication. It is simple. It has been like this for decades, centuries. Man a man, woman a woman, boy a boy, girl a girl. There is no confusion. So I don't see why people being petty and coming up with all kind of excuses. Oh, this and that. We need to look out for people's rights, blah blah blah. We've been using the bathroom for years and there's no rights that's been affected by it. So why not change it? No. Leave things as it is. Stop provoking people. Stop bringing up topics that are not even necessary. If you're using a bathroom, you're using. Nobody need to know who you are. You go in there and you use it. Simple as that. So I think it's really petty. I don't think it is called for. If you were going to use a bathroom, simply use it. If you look like a man and use a bathroom, use it. If you look like a girl and use a bathroom, use a female bathroom. When they're changing this law now, it's going to affect a lot of young kids where boys are going to enter the bathroom and females are going to be affected by it and invading in their privacy, in their little breast or whatever it is. And that is a concern when you change the law and want to change things. Leave things as it is. Boy use boy bathroom, girl use girl bathroom, and it is simple. So in the comments below, tell me how you feel about this topic. If you think there is any solution to it apart from my solution, which is leaving it as it is because it has been like that for centuries and there wasn't any problem until 2016 where these groups of people now want specific things to identify themselves because they are lost, mentally lost, and they don't understand who they are, and they need Jesus in their soul to guide them and send them on the right path. You understand? I don't even want to get into that, but yes, tell me if you're in agreement with this. If not, share your view in the comments below. Remember, I post videos on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. Look out for more mini clips like this, interesting topics of concern. Remember to subscribe and share if you like my videos. If not, thanks for watching anyway. Enjoy JVLOGS Mark Plunkett. Remember, I've been selling t-shirt, so leave your comments below. I'm going to play tennis now, so catch you guys later. Later.
Hey, no, no, no.